Does the GAT quantitative section feel overwhelming? Are algebra, geometry, or time management holding you back? Good news, we've got the ultimate solution. Join hundreds of students who've aced the GAT and got plus 90. High school students targeting top GAT scores. Repeaters who want a structured, no-nonsense approach. Self-studiers needing clear explanations and tons of practice. Full GAT quantitative lessons, plus massive question bank. Every topic tested on the GAT: arithmetic, algebra, geometry, statistics, problem solving. A lot of practice questions per lesson, video explanations for every lesson, and video explanations for every question. Online timed quiz for each part. Rules and formulas worksheet. All essential GAT, quantitative formulas and shortcuts in one place. Key math rules summarized for quick review. Common traps and how to avoid them. Latest question types matching the new GAT format. Video explanations for every solved question. Timed mock exams to simulate real test conditions. Why choose this course? Zero gaps in preparation. Covers 100% of GAT quantitative topics. Save time with ready-to-use formula sheets. Build speed and accuracy with 35+ full-length tests. Learn from mistakes with detailed video solutions. Don't leave your score to chance. Get the most updated, high-yield GAT quantitative prep available.